KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 7th of November. I'm James Spann. Been a fairly wet day across the state today. We'll see rain at times tomorrow and Friday. The weekend looking dry, but cold nights and even colder air like wintertime coming in here next week. So get ready. Let's take a look. Here's the upper air view across the country this afternoon. Broad troughing over the continental United States and a series of short waves embedded in that flow. And with each wave passage, we'll see a band of rain like this one. That's that batch of rain over East Alabama at 2:38. Heavy rain moving through Auburn, Opelika, Lafayette. That'll be out of the state most likely by the time you watch this, and tonight should be mostly dry. And it's cloudy around the state. Getting some clearing back over West Tennessee and Arkansas, but don't look for much sunshine here until Saturday. And in the wake of the rain, it's pretty cool today. It's only 53 in Cullman, Birmingham at 56 degrees. But down south, it's warm. 80 at Mobile, 81 at Dothan, where they've seen some sunshine today. Needless to say, a surface front stretched out across the southern part of the state. But up north, look at that cold air dropping in from Canada. Coldest of the season. We'll catch the first wave of that this weekend, and the main brunt of that by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's when lows will get down in the 20s here. Winter weather advisories today and tonight, parts of the Corn Belt up into Montana as well. And some strong storms possible across the deep south. That's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. In Alabama, the lowest in threat, a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for about the southern half of the state. There might be a few storms down there with gusty winds, but the overall severe threat is fairly low. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Decent rains here across the deep south. In Alabama, rain amounts will vary from 1 to 3 inches in most locations. So model fans, let's take a look at this pattern. We're certainly not in summer anymore. This is the upper look tomorrow at 1, coming off the GFS, the 12Z run. See a bowling ball coming south out of Canada. That'll be sharpening up the trough over the eastern states by the weekend. And then tomorrow for us, again with a stall front around, the sky will be mostly cloudy and a few periods of rain are likely. And I'd say the high will be in the low 60s in most spots, maybe mid-60s. Friday, the sky will stay cloudy, and again we'll forecast a good chance of rain with a cold front coming through, and it sure looks like it will be a day with falling temperatures. We'll start the day in the 50s, and we could wind up in the 40s by mid to late afternoon. So again, rain likely on Friday, and I'd say the best chance of rain could be during the morning hours. Looks like the rain should be over in time for the high school football games Friday night, and then Saturday a cold air mass settles in here. We're going to start the day pretty close to freezing. Lows between 30 and 35. The high will be around 50. Areas north of Birmingham with a high in the 40s, but again, the sky should be sunny. Sunday, again, we start the day around freezing, the high in the mid to upper 50s, and the sky becomes mostly cloudy. And then Monday will bring in the chance of rain with a wave on the Gulf, or in the northern Gulf of Mexico. And that'll be a pretty cool rain. We could be in the 40s much of the day Monday. Heaviest rain probably over the southern half of the state. And look at here, this is Tuesday of next week. Very deep, vigorous trough coming through the eastern states, and that's going to push the rain out of here most likely early Tuesday morning. Tuesday looks mostly cloudy, windy, cold, with a high between 42 and 46. And that wind will make it feel colder. And then Wednesday, by the morning, we should drop well down in the 20s. The latest GFS showing 25 at Birmingham. And then the high in the middle 50s, around 55, the sky will be sunny. These are the anomalies. You can see cold air covers the entire eastern part of the country. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday the 17th, another trough coming through and another cool air mass dropping in, but that looks dry if this verifies. Check the numbers coming off the European ensemble. It's showing a high Saturday of only 48, and that's with sunshine. And you can see that really cold pop next week. Highs in the 40s on Tuesday and Wednesday and lows in the 20s both Wednesday and Thursday morning. Then after that, we start to creep back up in the 60s later in the month of November here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.